Well, I left my shores 1 month ago. I was sailing across the blue.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your game Mira Forex. I'm back again with another video. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm trying to have a slow but thoughtful, productive day in my life as a female forex trader. I want to take you guys along with me. Lately I've been feeling a little bit pressure, not from you guys or from anyone, but pressure on myself. On the journey of trading, I've been going through a series of growth from one step to another, and right now I know I feel like I'm transitioning into another type of growth, and I feel a little bit pressure. I'm scared. Yes. So today I'm off from work, so I'm gonna be spending the day out. I'll be going to the park to self-reflect on my journey so far, and I'm going to be funding my account live today. Yes, I'm going to be funding live today again. In regards to feeling pressure of growth, because over the months and over the days that I've been consistently trading and consistently calling out moves and taking them in my profile. As you guys know that the profile is currently down now. Taking another step towards growth, I'm feeling scared. But one thing I understand is that I can't remain the same place I am, okay? I need to keep on moving forward, okay? I'm creating opportunities for myself towards growth. I've worked tirelessly to where I am now, and I think I've been so hard on myself in the sense that I'm waiting till I reach the final milestone before I can be happy, or I'm putting too much expectation on this particular journey, on how I want my life to be like and everything. Like even watching my videos, I think I'm so expectant of it, and I don't think I'm really enjoying the journey like that. Trying to create content, trying to trade all at the same time is kind of heavy on me, but it's something I love doing, and it's something I'm still juggling together. Trying to learn how to edit, trying to learn how to do stuff around me. And in that sense, I would say trading, like I'm grateful for everything trading has brought to my life. It's not easy juggling the both, yet, and understanding that I need to grow from this place to this place, but I shouldn't wait till the next milestone before I can be happy or putting too much expectation on this my trading journey. So as such, I want to be appreciating everything and not put so much expectations on becoming a millionaire, becoming like all those things, but just simply enjoy myself while I grow. You get? Because trying to be authentic and trying to be honest in everything you're doing, you should start putting too much expectation on I'm going to be rich, I'm going to be this. If you're not careful, you just start seeing lies creeping in without even you knowing it, and that's something I'm really trying to avoid. So today I'll be going out to self-reflect, and yeah, so my to-do list today is, first of all, I'll be taking my clothes to the laundry. Yes, I'll be taking my clothes to the laundry because it's not that I can't wash my clothes, but I don't know if it's holding me, but I think we'll have this set of clothes to keep everything intact. So after that, I'm going to be picking up the other ones and dropping some. Then I'm going to be going for the work, and I'm going to be studying today, and I'm going to be funding my life accounts today. At least actually reflect on the journey so far, and see possible ways of maybe things we're missing out. So before that, I just want to take you guys to the chart so we can do a rundown on the trade I won and the trade I forecasted. So GBPUSD trade, and then get along with my day. So I hope and I pray that I have a slow, productive, thoughtful day today. So this is the trade I'm currently on right now. So we're already about to hit a profit. This is already about 2%. So normally you guys know I go for maximum 1:2 just the reward trade. So I just wanted to do a quick rundown on the trade I'm currently on. This is the GBPUSD trade. So as you can see, the trade is still running because of the profit is not been triggering and every other thing. So we can't even hit TP, just allowing it. So I wanted to do a quick rundown on how I came about that particular trade. So September 2nd week. So going over GBPUSD. So quick rundown. So looking at price from the weekly, I do my analysis from the weekly. I asked myself where is price. So price at premium and just created a new external range liquidity, and we are in a new month. Where is the weekly candle likely to expand to? Where is the liquidity? So looking at price after impulsive, that's the external range liquidity, there's a corrective or a retracement into internal range liquidity. So looking at what price is doing here, so I was expecting an expansion to the downside. Looking that we have this external range liquidity and we have this weak rejection. So I was looking for price to do a retracement. So from then we'll know if we're going to continuously be reversing or if his price retracing to discounts to continue to the upside. So looking at the daily, one thing in price is that you have to pay attention to the bodies of the candles. Like I always say, the body tells you the story, but the candle does the damage. So price is respecting also flow as we got a change in state of delivery and an inverse fair value gap, and price manipulated up as well because of the news. We had NFP last week, so that's why you see this long week. But if you look properly, you can see that this other block is being respected with body right here, and we see that price just did retracement. So if eventually price was going to continue, price should have not disrespected this down close candle, which would have been a potential other block. But price disrespecting it shows that price is continuing to downside. So that was why I was like, okay, since price is not respecting this and price is closing up this up close candle, that means I'll be looking to do what? Target the external range liquidity. So I love how the body of the candle are respecting the inverse fair value gap. So this inverse fair value gap, as you can see, price didn't close above it. Price did what? Close back down. So close back down below it, and also the body of the candle wicked the other block of the change in state of delivery and respected. As you can see, this other block, price wicked it, and as you can see, price closed below it. So I was like, okay, I'll be looking forward to a down move. If price is really reversing for bullish, but rather price is closing in the bullish candle, making it a potential mitigation block. Price closing below it and returning back to it is a sell. So that's what I was meaning. So this particular candle, the price should close below it and return back to it, I'm selling. So going over the 4 hour, so what I was just simply expecting is looking at this long-term high being respected, and you see that we're taking out lows, respecting highs, taking out lows, respecting highs. But because of the news, the manipulation to take out buy side liquidity before the news eventually broke down, so we'll have a change in state of delivery after a sweep of buy side liquidity. We'll have a shift in market structure. So I was expecting a retracement back up to this fair value gap or maybe this other block before we continue to the downside. So that was what I was expecting, and this was my draw on liquidity. So looking at price right here on 1 hour, I was like, okay, price should take out this buy side liquidity to continue down, or price may not really want to go up for that buy side liquidity and just take out this close below this candle. So price returning back to it, I sell, or price doing the secondary manipulation to go down. So there are instances price might be in a very strong bearish momentum that price might not want to do much of a retracement for buy side liquidity before rallying down. So we're just looking for a possible best scenario to enter. So at these two places, this is what I was expecting in order for me to enter the trade. So looking at this, once price opened, I was expecting to enter exactly at this fair value gap, and my stop loss above the inverse fair value gap that price closed below. And as you can see in price now, going back to price, you see that price action is doing exactly the same as we expected from the 4 hour. You can see price wicked into that fair value gap, exactly at that fair value gap, and now price already at that liquidity level I was anticipating earlier. So yeah, that's literally what I've been looking at in GBPUSD and also in DXY. You know, if I am bullish in DXY, I should be bearish in the dollar. So as you can see right here, this was the analysis. As you can see, price came here. The bodies is what you should be paying attention to most times. This was what I was expecting price to close above, which price just did close above. This was the retracement, but as you can see, price didn't retrace back down to this place. It's just this fair value gap it did retrace to, and this is where price is. I drew this arrow before all these things are happening. So I think understanding price action and the candle patterns is quite important. So right now I'm just gonna should I say take my clothes to the laundry and then prepare for the rest of my day. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this video, so sit back and relax. All right,
you can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele, then they call me bank on it, cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele, yeah. Tobalo, go macho, yeah. Tobalo, go macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro, choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No, go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
slide of the video. So right now, should I say, I'm already at the back, and as you guys have been watching from the bureaus and the rest of the stuff, you guys know it's been a long journey. So I'm not gonna lie, I've not done much since I've been here. So the only thing I want to do now is I want to take you guys along with me while I'm funding my accounts live. So first of all, the broker I use is Deriv. I should I say, hearing about FBS. People are saying that it's a good broker, but the broker I've used in live trading is either Deriv, like twice, or sometimes. And my first $3 withdrawal I did was from Deriv as well. So first of all, if you want to sign up with Deriv, you're going to look for the link at the description and subscribe with them. So first of all, you go to your Safari or anything, just type in deriv.com. Just like me, I already have an account with them and also email and everything. So here you come and log in your email. So I used my Google email. So yeah, so but if you're not logged in before with them, you can just log in your email, then start up the processes of creating an email and the rest of the stuff. So I'm selecting the email I'm going to be using to this. So it's going to bring me here. So as you can see here, my account here in standard is $0.07, and this is the account I was using. So now what I want to do is I want to deposit into this account. So I'm going to go to deposit here. So if you guys want to see a video of how you can start afresh on how you can create a deriv MT5 account for your trading life account, you can comment on this comment section below, then I'll make a special video about that for you guys. So after that, you're going to come here. So here you're going to select the deposit method you want to use and deposit. So me, I do bank transfer. So from bank online to here. So how many dollars do I want to deposit? And if you can see here, from minimum of $10 to maximum of $1,000, that's what you can deposit. That's what you can deposit. So right here, I want to be depositing like $15, $15 US. So now they're going to show me how much is going to be in naira, and then give me the account I'm going to send the money into. So as you can see, NIN, which one do I want to use and verify? I'm going to be using my NIN to verify. Which number do I want to use? I'm going to verify. Okay, I'm going to be using my NIN. So now I'm going to input. Then here you input your NIN. You input your NIN. So once you input your NIN, it's going to load, and as you can see above here, they're showing you how much it is in the naira form. So now I'm going to copy this account number and then make the transfer immediately. So I'm going to take my phone now and make the transfer of 25,000. Make sure that you send the exact amount you see on the phone. Make sure you transfer the exact amount. So here I see 25,000. I'm sending to Wema Bank 759017493. So as you can see, so this is done, and I do done. So go back after I've done the transfer. I can then wait. After I draw the transfer, I can then thank you. Your transaction is currently pending and awaiting confirmation status. Your account will be immediately updated once information is received. For further information, please contact customer service and receive the following transaction identifier. So hi guys, I just finished depositing money into my live account, and right now we're going to wait till the cashiers. So we're going to refresh this and see if it has reflected here. I'm going to give it some time. So once it deposits, you guys will see it. So for now, we're going to give it some time. So one thing I want to say is that everything is a process and everything is timing. And one thing in life is that if you realize how wonderfully and beautiful and fearfully you made, you're going to understand that God's works are marvelous, and you have to also let your soul know it. So that's what I read today. On understanding that, I understand that I can change my life if only I can be able to think and act towards it. So all you everything I've learned so far is think and take action towards it, and just see how your life will change. Because why am I saying this? Okay, it has just reflected now that we're talking. So why am I saying this? I know how many times I've thought of something and how many times I've taken action. Like, it doesn't come once, but it comes with its own time and its own time, and it just reflects, and you just know that you're able to change your life if you're able to take action. Okay, so action is one of the most important things you have to continuously input in your life. And so today, you guys saw I went to get some stationaries, because also trying to edit, trying to script and the rest of the stuff. So it's lovely, okay, understanding that I was able to make a positive P&L in August, and while working on trading and showing you that it works. So it's possible. if you put in your mind. Okay, everything has to start from here. Like, you just have to start seeing your problems and watch opportunities rather than seeing them as obstacles. So going back to the chart, as you can see, guys, they just deposited this into the account. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. So we're going to do manage account. So right now we're going to now go over here and do transfer. So once we get here, we're going to be saying, okay, we want to transfer this. We'll now bring this one down, we'll now bring this one up, then we'll transfer the $15 from there. So you see, we'll transfer the $15, say close. Then if we now go to our MT5, I'm not going to do, we're going to go to my deriv, then we're going to open here so I can get my then you write open here. So right here, this is where you're going to see your broker, your server, your login, and your password. So now my server is what, this is the one I want to copy. So my server is deriv svglc. So we are going to go to MT5, then I'm going to type in the server, go to so you guys can see we are logged in. Then if you can see in our balance here, we have $15 deposited into our account. So this is how you sign into your deriv account. Then you can see that the trade is actually running to full take profit, guys. The trade is actually doing so well. As you can see, if you go back to the analysis here, normally always looking at Tuesday creating the high of the week. We saw that Tuesday really did the manipulation to the upside to take out this Monday high. But as you can see, we didn't close above this candle. So that's why we didn't see that this is a reversal, but rather we'll be looking for one more down move to the downside. So I'm not looking to actually take the trade. It's not fair or anything, but me doing that thing right now is going to be like jumping the gun. So rather we're going to look for a better opportunity for us to capitalize on the trade. So I hope this video was well, guys. It started raining, so I'm heading home now. It was a chill day. So thank you guys for always sticking around to watch the video. And yeah, if it's your first time, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much for constant support. Alright guys, I just came home now and this is amazing. So this was the forecast I did the morning before I went to work. So I was still expecting price to rally down for the external range liquidity. So I was just looking at this, making sure that our price is at a POI and that we're not currently having a reversal. But rather we're grabbing liquidity above to continue to the downside. So buy price respect the inverse fair value gap, order flow, and closes above the down close counter and does to it a buy. So if price should have closed above this candle and returning back to it above opening price, that means that price wants to go bullish. But I was standing with my bearish bias, which is sell. Price closes down below the inverse fair value gap, then close up close candle, returns back to it is a sell. So if price should close below this, comes back to it is a sell. And during that time before I went for work, I was seeing all this in the 30 minutes, but I was waiting for price to actually close back down this candle properly, returning back to, I think this one, yes, this candle, this particular candle, returning back to it. I was looking to sell, so this particular candle to sell. Then if you look at it properly here, look at it where price closed back into it, returned back to it with this candle. See how price sold down. This is amazing.